Hi, my name is Melissa Aguirre and I'm a yoga therapist. Today we are going to address thoracic pain and tension within the upper back. This is usually credited to poor posture, so I want to begin by addressing body awareness. Notice if your shoulders tend to round. We want to begin by stretching out the chest and strengthening the upper back muscles to stabilize your posture. So we're going to begin with a heart opener. This is one of my favorites because it's quick, easy, and every time after I do it, I just feel so much more open in the chest. So the first one I'm going to show you is using your block. You can take it to, so not the first level, but the middle level. You're going to take it here. You want to make sure that this goes right underneath your shoulder blades. So you're going to take it, align it, lower down, and once you find it, you can do whatever you want with your legs. Begin to relax back. You can let your arms come back, or you can be here. Just whatever feels more comfortable for you. If this is too much for your neck, you can place something underneath your neck to help support it, or just make it yours and feel that chest open.
Another thing that works great with this is you can always use a foam roller here, and you can move through the upper back and open that, just softening into it and just feel that bend, feel the shoulders peel open.
So the next heart opener I'm going to show you, if this was a little too much for your back and it didn't feel comfortable, you can take a pillow or a bolster, and you can make a nice bolster out of using a pillow. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use the block. I'm going to take it, instead of having it the way I had it, I'm going to turn it long ways. And I'm going to rest my pillow on top of that. And then same thing, you're just going to lower down, and you want it to be right there where your heart is. And you can relax your head down and be here. And just opening into the heart, breathing here. And so that was just the same exact thing pretty much that we just did before. So those are nice ways to, either this one's a more restorative, more relaxing, you could stay in it a lot longer if you have the bolster. And anytime if it's too much for your neck, just take a pillow or roll up a blanket and place it underneath your neck for that support if you need it. So the next pose we're going to do is to strengthen the shoulders and strengthen the upper back. This is a great way to help maintain that proper posture so there's no more compression on the back. So you're going to find your way into downward facing dog. And it's a flow, so you're going to send your hips up. So find your down dog, pressing firm into the mat as if you're pushing the mat out from beneath you. Take a breath here. And on your next breath, nice deep breath in. And then exhale, move forward into plank. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And just flowing with this, and even just holding your down dog is a great way to strengthen the back muscles. You can come forward and lower into your plank. And you can hold this. And so there's a lot of ways. Anything just to strengthen the upper back is going to serve you for your thoracic pain. And so now I'm going to show you, this is my favorite stretch for when I have any tension in my upper back, and especially if I'm also trying to open up the chest, to stretch out the shoulders, stretch out the chest muscles. So this is actually my favorite pose to do. I do this daily, but I want to pass it on to you, hopefully that, this is a quick way to, again, open up the chest and release that tension in the upper back. So we're going to come onto our belly. So you're going to find your way onto your belly. And you're going to take your left arm out like a wing. You're going to bend your right knee. And you're going to leave with that right leg rolling behind onto that shoulder. Relax your head down.
This is such a cleansing twist. So breathing into the belly and just feel that twist, opening through the spine, and just feeling relaxed here.
And we're going to switch sides. So same thing, right arm out, left knee, rolling into your twist. And relaxing here. And just always being mindful, if you have any shoulder injuries or it just doesn't feel right, do not do this pose. Another useful pose to help release tension within the thoracic spine is triangle pose. Twists can be very useful in easing pain within the spine. The last pose we're going to do today is a twist. It's triangle pose. Any twist is going to be great to help release that tension that may be causing pain. It increases your spinal flexibility. So anytime you twist, it's great for the thoracic spine. So to begin, what we're going to do is you're going to take your feet wide. I want you to point your left foot towards the front of the mat. Maintain the other foot so they're perpendicular. Slide your left hand down. Bring it right below that knee and reach that arm up. Peel the heart open and back. And sometimes you can take this hand behind your back and pull open that shoulder so it really opens the chest. Get a nice twist. And then inhale, come back up. We're going to do the other side. So switching. Switch your feet position. Sliding down. Reach the arms up. Peeling that heart open. Feel the stretch. If you want to take your hand behind your back, open a little deeper. And inhale, come back up. And that's triangle pose.